In this era of video production equipment, there are many LED video lights, brands and models in the market at different price tags and qualities. As you know, I like checking out the budget ones for medium-sized production. And fortunately, over the years, I tested a couple of brands and numerous models. Today we get the $139 Ambitful EF100 COB LED video light with 5600 Kelvin daylight white balance. The LED itself is very lightweight, features an app control, got a light stand adapter, and comes with a solid carry bag. Let me show you that. What do you think? Also, we'll have a look at this strip softbox from Ambitful, 90 by 22 cm strip softbox with a grid. It's Omahe, and let's get this review started. There are some features that makes this Ambitful EF100 stands out compared to other LED lights. At $169, you're getting a decent piece of gear with a superior features. First, the light size is pretty convenient. It got a decent build quality and weighs about 874 grams, 1.9 pound. And the adapter weighs 485 grams, 1 pound. Now with other budget LED models, I used to get a double clamp or tape the adapter on the light stand. But here with the new model, it got a stand adapter mount. It's more convenient than other solutions, and in my perspective, it's a major feature you should consider when buying an LED light. I mean the ones that comes with a separate power adapter, and I don't often see any budget LED light comes with a carry bag, which is in fact an essential piece of accessory for such equipment. I'm happy to see it here. Now the EF100 is turned on, and to be honest, the fan is noisy. It's not that much, it's acceptable to be honest, but let me show you, it's about 30 cm far from the boom mic. I will be silent for a moment and let you hear that noise. Switch off. 1, 2, 3. Switch on again. Bear in mind that my room temperature is about 29 degrees Celsius. Ambitful EF100 supports a smartphone control app, where you can play with the light power at your convenience. So as you're browsing the power options available in the market for LED video lights, there are many. Some starts from 60 watt, other models got 80 watts, jumps to 100, 150 watts, 200 watts, and 300 watts and more. But how comes you can pick the correct LED power for your need, and don't pay extra money for such a powerful light that you're probably not gonna use so far? There are different factors you can learn about the output power. The bigger the modifier is, I mean the softbox, the less power output you get. The same LED light delivers less power with larger softboxes and more power with smaller softboxes. The larger the softbox, the more softer light you get. Indeed, the distance between the light and the subject also is a part of the game. And most importantly is the ambient light available in this scene. I will try to simplify it and drop 2 examples. Now here in the studio I got the 100 watt LED video light from Ambitful with a 70 cm parabolic softbox running at 40%. Not 100, it's just 40%. The softbox is an arm length, far from me, and there is no ambient light here in the room except the ones running in the background. And I will be silent for a moment if you wish to hear the fan noise. I got again a boom mic. Here it's about 30 cm far from my mouth. Cool. The other example is at open window office. I used the same light in an interview for a client at full power in order to overfill the ambient light and lit the guest properly. Unfortunately, there was no enough space in the office to set up a parabolic softbox, and therefore the strip softbox works the best in this situation. This is 90 by 22 cm strip softbox from Ambitful. It doesn't take a lot of space and you can point it vertically or horizontally. But this kind of softboxes isn't versatile as a quick fold softboxes and needs to be assembled manually every time. And they are significantly cheaper. I believe the 100-watt LED video light is a perfect mid-range power option for such interviews, documentaries, and medium-sized production. I hope the two examples help in a way or another in making your decision. Thank you for watching, guys. Show me a thumbs up if you found this video helpful and bump that subscribe button for more camera reviews. This was Oma and see you guys in the next one.